So are you gonna be heartbroken? You're trying to buy another one? If you gotta.
I'm trying to see if I can get another one.
Okay.
I'm looking at one now. That was kind of a heartbreaker. I had that car for 30 years. The insurance ended up covering it. So I had a decision to make. Should I fix that car or should I get another car? Looking at how bad it was, it's like, oh my goodness, this could be, who knows? So,
Well, I knew as soon as I saw it on Marketplace that I needed to get over here and check it out before it got away, because somebody's going to buy it. That was my gut.
Absolutely, and they did. Actually, one of the first guys that were interested in it, a guy out of Texas came and got it. So yeah, he drove overnight. We talked, and he left that afternoon, probably around 5 o'clock that afternoon. He drove through the night. He said he's going to restore it. That's what he was telling me, that he'd always wanted one. You know, he's always been a big fan of those Trans Am, smoking the Bandit. It's kind of cool because when he was out here in the yard, like I say, it wasn't daylight yet. So I had it sitting here and actually crunk it up and had it running when he pulled up. So we were talking. We loaded the car up on the trailer, and he had his 13-year-old son with him. Right, so I didn't get to meet him while we were loading because he stayed asleep, and then they backed out and left, and I was going to work. So I seen him getting gas in his truck with the car, so I pulled over, and when I pulled over, I pulled up, and his son had done woke up, and he was under the hood. They had the hood open like that, and when I pulled up, I said, "Hey man, cool car." I was talking to his son. He was a 13-year-old guy, a kid, you know. He said, "Yeah." He said, "Man, isn't that a big motor?" I said, "Yeah, it sure is, man. That is an awesome car." I said, "Yeah." So I don't know, I just got that sense when I did that, this is fixing to go to another family. You know, this is gonna be another kid, another generation is gonna go, and I could see just the glow on that kid's face. Right. He was just glowing looking at that car. His dad was standing there with him when we were talking, you know. I talked to him for a few more minutes and then left.
Man, that's great.
After I pulled off, I said, yeah, I think I did the right thing, you know, because also I wanted a 4-speed car. Even though I loved that car, but I really always kind of wanted a 4-speed.
And your first car of a Firebird
absolutely
was a 4-speed?
Yeah, absolutely. When I was 18, I got a 75 Formula 400 4-speed.
Okay.
That was my very, very first car ever when I was 18. I was definitely open to looking at something, at least with a 4-speed. When I ended up, the insurance that I received back for it was just about right for me to find a 4-speed car. And probably more so than actually go and fix that car for the cost it was going to be. So this is it right here.
So this is it. Wow. And what is this? Is a 75?
A 75. Yep, 75 Trans Am, 4-speed. Doesn't have the original engine in it, which is okay.
It looks
great driver
fantastic.
Car.
It looks fantastic.
Good.
The sad day, the tree crushing your Trans Am dreams. It's like the Phoenix rising up. You got you another Trans Am.
Yep.
So this is great. This is great. And well, I'm excited for you, Sean. That's awesome. That's awesome. Thanks for sharing your story, and you know, hey, you'll be out cruising, hitting the car shows, and taking the grandkids out. I guess they're going to be excited too.
Oh, they haven't seen it yet, but they've seen it on video, and they're really excited. So I don't know if it's the color that gets them all happy, but they love that bird right there. Just love it, you know.
Right.
Yeah, so I'm looking forward to taking them for a ride in it.
All right. Well, super. All right, we'll do a walk around and check out your car, man. That's great. That's great. Yeah, I like it. It idles good.